you're experiencing issues with Rocket League multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help clear any temporary glitches or connection issues that may be affecting your multiplayer experience. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and will replace them automatically. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to the device manager on your computer, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Keeping your drivers updated can improve connectivity and performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Rocket League multiplayer not working. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.